Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Mahdi English School online education. You all are heartily welcome to a new session of mathematics. Here we are going to start our day with a meaningful thought. Learning is a treasure that will follow its owner everywhere. Yes, my dear students, learning is a very big treasure. Look, here I put books everywhere to show the importance of learning that will follow its owner, the person who is having knowledge at everywhere. It is said that books are our best friend. Why? Because it gives you a lot of knowledge to live the life. Let's begin the day. Before we start, everyone, sit straight. Make your back straight. Very good. Take the book, pencil, all the essential needs which you need to write down. Take it with you. Very good. Now close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Ready for learning? Look what I have written here, revision essay 1. As you all know that exams of essay 1 are going to come. So, we must make revision for this examination. And since a few lectures we are doing the same. And I hope you all have noted down that given revision in your book so that you can make the revision very easily. Write down today's date and day here. Write today's date and day. Write the heading Revision Essay 1. Revision Essay 1. REVISION. Revision of Essay 1. Why I am speaking very slowly so that all my dear tiny students can copy with me. Okay? Completed? Now listen. Before we start our writing part, first of all, I am going to explain the paper style once again. Look, my dear students, this is our paper style. You already have this. Again, I am going to explain it. Question 1 is fill in the blanks. For this, you have to prepare all the fill in the blanks. After that, write number name. Number name means the spelling of that number. For this, you have to prepare number names 51 to 100. For example, if I said you that write the number name of 52, then you have to write the spelling for that. FIFTY 50 TWO 2. This is called number name. And yes, we already have completed the revision of this question also. Question number 3 is write between numbers. What is the meaning of between numbers? Between numbers means we have to find out the number which comes between of given that two numbers. And we already have completed revision for this also. Question 4, add the following. We have completed this revision also. And yes, of course, I told you to note down all the revision notes in your maths fair book. So I hope you all have completed it in your book. Question 5 is subtract the following. We have also completed the revision for this question also. Question 6 is problem sums, and for this you have to prepare only from chapter number 2 and chapter number 6. Today we are going to make revision for question number 6, problem sums. Question 7 is complete the table. We already have complete all the revision of tables 1 to 5. In each and every lecture, we learn any of the table from tables 1 to 5. So I hope you all are ready for the test. Here we are going to make revision of question number 6, problem sums. So now it's your turn to note down the notes. Write the heading, solve the following problem sums. SOLVE, solve. THE, the. FOLLOWING, following. PROBLEM, problem. SUMS, sums. Solve the following problem sums. Everyone copy the heading properly. Write with a very good handwriting. Leave some space between two words. Solve the following problem sums. Completed everyone? Now look my dear students, as we are going to write problem sums, here we are having big questions. So I am going to detect it very slowly, so that you all can copy it in your book. Here you have to write the full sentences, okay? In the jungle. In the jungle, 7 turtles swimming in a river. Everyone note down. 7 turtles swimming in a river. Spelling of turtles: TURTLES. Swimming: SWIMMING, swimming in a river. What does it say? That in a jungle there is a river and 7 turtles are swimming in that river. 3 more turtles join them. After some times, 3 more turtles come and join that 7 turtles. How many turtles in all? Everyone write down very carefully. 3 MORE, more. TURTLES, turtles, join them. How many turtles in all? After that, put question mark over there. Here we have the question that how many turtles in all. After finishing the line, draw a box like this, leave it empty and write TURTLES, turtles in all. I am waiting so that each and everyone copy their work properly. 7 turtles swimming in a river. 3 more turtles join them. How many turtles in all? Dash turtles in all. After finishing, just beside there, prepare an equation 7 plus 3. Why? Because there are 7 turtles. So first of all, you have to write number 7. Afterwards, 3 more turtles join them. So plus 3. Look, my dear students, whenever we are going to solve the word problems, it is must that we must become familiar how to prepare this equation. So first of all, write the number of turtles are present there. After that, add number of turtles join them, which is 3. So 7 plus 3. Now tell me, what will be the answer? 7 after 8, 9 and 10. We reach at number 10. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Write 1 0 10 in the box. Is everyone writing with me? Very good. So 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Here in the box, write down 1 0 10, because this is the answer box where we have to write how many turtles in all. We can say that 10 turtles in all. So, all my dear students, have you completed? I am detecting very slowly so that all the my dear students can copy it properly in their book. Okay? Two monkeys swinging from a branch. Two monkeys, monkeys, swinging, 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 from a branch, branch. What is the meaning of swinging? Have you ever visited the park? There you find out the swings. You can say jhula. Okay? So, in the jungle, there were two monkeys swinging from a branch of a tree. Make a full stop over there. Whether you are writing maths or any languages, putting punctuation is most important. So after finishing the line, make a full stop. Write down properly two monkeys swinging from a branch. 6 monkeys swinging from another branch. 6 monkeys, monkeys, swinging, swinging, from another branch. How many monkeys in all? Bhika question mark. How many monkeys in all? In the next line, draw the square. Leave that space empty and write monkeys in all. Draw the square, leave that space empty and write monkeys in all. Just beside you have written this. Note down the equation. 2 plus 6. Why we have done this? That first of all, there are 2 monkeys swinging from a branch and 6 monkeys swinging from another branch. Means we have to add 6 monkeys to 2 monkeys. 2 plus 6. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Everyone write down number 8. Now here this box is empty. So what should we do? We should copy the answer in the given box. Write down number 8 in this box also. 8 monkeys in all. Is everyone copy the work properly? 2 monkeys swinging from a branch. 6 monkeys swinging from another branch. How many monkeys in all? By making addition, we can say that 8 monkeys in all. Now I hope that everyone can complete their work. So here we are going to start the next sum. Six yellow butterflies sitting on a flower. As this is the story of jungle, so you might have seen that there are lots of flowers, plants are in the jungle. So now it said that 6 yellow, YELLOW. You all have to write, that's why I am detecting very slowly. Yellow, BUTTER, butter, FLIES, flies, butterflies, SITTING, sitting on a flower. Make a full stop. Done everyone? 6 yellow butterflies sitting on a flower. 3 red butterflies join them. They're friends. No, these butterflies are yellow in color. After that, 3 red butterflies join them. Make a full stop. How many butterflies in all? Question mark. 3 red butterflies join them. How many butterflies in all? Make a square, leave that space empty and write butterflies in all. Full stop. Spelling of butterflies, this is the plural word, not single butterfly, butterflies. BUTTERFLIES, butterflies. Done everyone? Now, just beside that, write down the equation 6 plus 3. Why? Because there are 6 yellow butterflies and 3 red butterflies join them. So we have to make addition of 6 and 3. 6 plus 3. 6 after 7, 8 and 9. 6 plus 3, we get 9. Each and every one write down number 9. Now move this side. Here we have empty box. Write down number 9 there also, because here we have to write the answer. 9 butterflies in all. I am going to repeat the whole sum again so that all my dear tiny students can copy it properly. 6 yellow butterflies sitting on a flower. 3 red butterflies join them. How many butterflies in all? 9 butterflies in all. Write the next sum. 4 elephants walking, one behind the other. Full stop. 4 ELEPHANTS elephants walking, one behind the other. WALKING, walking. One behind other. Have you ever seen or heard that you think that there are lots of animals in the jungle? As in the very starting, we have seen that this is the story of a jungle. So now here we are going to talk about elephants. Have you ever seen the elephants, my dear students? Elephant is the giant animal. Am I right? So here they told us that 4 elephants walking one behind the other, means one after one. They are going in a line. 4 more elephants join them. Four more elephants join them. As they all were walking in a row or line, after some time, 4 more elephants come there and join them. How many elephants in all? Put question mark. HOW how, MANY many, ELEPHANTS elephants in all. Make a square. Leave this space empty and write ELEPHANTS elephants, because here we are talking about more than one elephant. Write down the word properly, elephants in all. Make a full stop. I am going to read the whole sum again so that you all can copy it properly. 4 elephants walking one behind the other. 4 more elephants join them. How many elephants in all? Dash elephants in all. I hope you all have completed this writing part. If not, then I am waiting for a while so that everyone can copy the sum properly. Write down the sum properly as well as put each and every punctuation properly. Done, everyone? Now, beside where you have written the sum, prepare an equation 4 plus 4. Why? Because first of all there were 4 elephants. After some times 4 more elephants come and join them. So 4 plus 4. Everyone write down the sum properly. Look, my dear students, I am detecting very slowly as well as I am trying to describe each and everything so that whenever you are going to prepare the equation or you try to solve the word problems by your own, you can do it well by yourself. So 4 plus 4, 4 after, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here you have to write number 8. 4 plus 4 we get 8. So the answer box is still empty. Write down number 8. 8 elephants in all. My dear students, the question 6 is still continue. We will complete it in next lecture. Till that, you all have to complete the homework of all the subjects, and when we meet in the next lecture, I hope the work which we have completed today is completed in your book so that you can continue from here. Okay, my dear students? At your home, everyone, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. Yes, of course, in next lecture, I'll come with some more word problems. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.